going on, everyone? I'm down here at the BLM section of Cottonwood. I'm going to fish the Canyon Run, which is below ET Rock, if you're familiar. Figured I'd get out here, fish a streamer kind of early. We'll work it for a couple hours, see if we can't pull a few fish out. Tag along. Little riser over there. There we go. Another one. He's got some moss with him. That's not my streamer, by the way. They always turn the wrong way. Exit's right there. There you go. There we go. That's a little bit bigger. All right, good looking fish. So that one was pretty much at the very end of that drift. Instead of recasting and, getting discouraged and saying, I'm just going to throw it back out there, leave it in just a little bit longer, strip it in halfway through the leader. And sure enough, he was following it. He was probably following it since I first cast it out there and threw that big mend in there. As soon as it dropped in, that's probably when he saw it. But let's keep working our way up. Hopefully you guys can see the shallow part. I'm casting just beyond it. And it gets real deep over there on the drop off right up against the bank. I'm just not fishing heavy enough to hit that. Yes. Another pretty good looking one. Cool. So I actually went ahead and added a little bit of weight. And I'm just gonna try to hit that middle section. Not seeing a whole lot of fish along the edge like I was seeing a little bit further down. Ooh, got a little tap there. Another tap. Oh, he let go. Darn it. Oh yeah, there we go. What I did differently there was I was walking down with the line, keeping that straight connection towards me, because that'll help it sink, but I can also keep a direct connection to it. Basically walking with it, that way I don't have to mend at the very start. Hey, look at that, we got our brown. Well, not yet, I guess. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Man, he just wants to go. Oh, wow. Brown trout number 2. Okay, so my battery died when I was out there, but we're gonna head back up to Texas Hole, see if we can't get a few more. Just a little bit busy today. Let's go see what it looks like down here. There we go. Well, wasn't recording, but first cast in. Well, that was a lot of fun. I haven't had a streamer day to myself in quite some time, so I enjoyed it. If you guys did, let me know down below. I can definitely crank out some more of these videos for you, especially as the season starts to progress. Uploads are going to get a little bit spotty again, so just bear with me. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you on the river, and we'll see you in the next video.